Ayan, good morning guys. Breakfast po tayo guys. Ito po ang ating breakfast. Ayan. Egg, apple, and dragon fruit. Fruits muna tayo ngayon guys. Tapos egg. Ayan, tara guys. Kain po tayo. Ayan, malinis akin kami guys. Hawakan na natin yan. Kain po tayo. Hawakan na natin yan guys. Hawakan na lang natin to guys. Malinis naman ating kamay. Sarap talaga nito guys. Ang puti. Yummy. Ang gusto ko is yung dragon fruit kasi masarap siya. Sarap. Ayan po guys ang ating breakfast. Thank you guys for watching. Just like, share, and subscribe. Bye!